y'all. Just picked up a bargain from the Amazon bargain basement. It's a Tenaya Lake fast pitch cabin. Not to be confused with an instant pitch tent, but a fast pitch. And we're fixing to take it out of the box and see if they're lying or not. Okay, off the bat. This is the 6-man. It's a 13-foot by 7-foot, supposedly. I like the bag. It's got wheels, so I can drag it instead of carrying it if I need to. It's got a solid plastic bottom. Got good sturdy handles. It's I like the bag anyway. If I had to, I could. Well, actually, I carried this home on the motorcycle in the box. This would fit on the bike if I wanted to take it bike camping. But then I'd have to put my sleeping bag and my cot and my chair and the self-inflating pad. That's a lot of stuff to load on one poor little motorcycle. So it's probably just going to be car camping for the two of us, probably. Unless I get ornery and decide to pack it. Let's see what happens when we unpack it now. All right. Don't laugh at me. I'll try to shout if I do talk to you. I watched a video once on putting it up. And that's enough, right? Watch it once. Do it once. Teach it once. Ta-da! Okay, look at that. Thing's handy. There's a gear lock. Set up and start. Oh, these are the shells for the whatchamacallits? The storage closets. It's got two little storage closets. I got this to replace our regular tent, our old tent. It's a palatial 6-bedroom mansion with in-ground pool, 4-car garage, mother-in-law suite, wine cellar. It's too big for two of us, and it's hard to find places to even put it up when you're out in the woods. So I wanted something smaller, and the poles were starting to get a little aged. I'd hate to wake up with the tent falling down on top of me, so it was time for a new one. Sorry. Looks like plenty of room. I need to work on my placement. One thing I prefer, I don't know, to zip all the way up. But as you can see, these windows are open at the top so you can get air, I guess. And you can open when it rains. I can live with that. There's the door. It's got a window. And hold on, let me set up a closet. We'll be right back. Well, I wasn't in the mood to set it up. You got more poles you gotta use to shape the closet. And they're the 8-person version of this tent has a full closet, which would be nice. I could hang my motorcycle jacket or clothes. It'd be nice to hang your stuff. But anyway, I can live with the 2 little foot closets. 3 shelves, I think, on each one. I gotta straighten out my poles, which will be a pain. It's got a ring here to hang your lanterns, mesh. There's a rain fly somewhere. I like the size. I think this is going to be perfect. One important thing is always, we use a footprint underneath to protect the bottom, and we actually put another tarp inside to protect the floor. Our sleeping arrangements, when it's the 2 of us, we have 2 cots that will fit right there and give us about a foot. There's the power cord outlet. It'll give us, I think, we had figured about a foot on either side, and we'll still have about 4 or 5 feet on the door side to hold us. It's, I think it's going to be a good tent, as long as I don't break nothing for going out the hinged door. Doors, poles. I like to look at the stars when I'm camping. Here's the back side of the closets, the foot closets, which are actually bigger than the ones in our mansion tent, I believe. Yeah, I'll have to stretch out this corner because the inside is bunched a little. But all in all, yeah, I'm still not sure about the quick setup or fast, well, they call it the fast pitch. Yeah, maybe with a little practice. But anyway, we'll be back and show you more once we set up a little more. How's that? Okay, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye!